Yep, it's moving. There's an Amtrak. That's the reason it's moving. That's northbound, that's southbound Amtrak 59. That train starts out in Chicago, Illinois, and terminates in New Orleans, Louisiana. The northbound manifest ethanol train U756 starts out in Memphis, Tennessee, and terminates in Edmonton, Alberta, Quebec, Edmonton, Canada, Edmonton, Vancouver, Canada, Edmonton, Alberta, Quebec, Canada. The stop in Detroit, Michigan to change its crews. Stop to change their crews in Blue Island, Illinois, Chicago, Illinois at Blue Island, and Denisonville, Illinois. That might be the reason the train is moving. The Amtrak was coming through. There he goes. That is the most dangerous train right there. Most dangerous train right there. Ethanol. Empty ethanol train. I got part one, this is part two of the northbound ethanol manifest train. And there's the end. There's the end of the manifest ethanol train U756 and Amtrak 59. It met the Amtrak 59 City of New Orleans train 59, Amtrak train 59. That train starts out in Chicago, Illinois at the Union Station and terminates in New Orleans, Louisiana. The empty ethanol manifest ethanol train is U756, part A432 and U756. That train starts out in Memphis, Tennessee, and terminates in Edmonton, Alberta, Quebec, Canada, stopping to change their crews right outside the Canada border, right outside the Canadian border. Up on Wednesday, July 26, 2023. It's gone. Okay.